welcome back to my channel. I literally perfected my makeup. Like, I don't have filters on this. There's never a filter on YouTube, but like, especially now I'm using the camera. Like, this is a really good quality camera. It's showing everything, and this is legit how my skin looks right now. Like, so I will show you from beginning to end. It's gonna be like a little voiceover, but I'm gonna tell you all the products and the shades and stuff like that. Yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. All right, y'all, I haven't done a voiceover in so long, and I'm going really fast, so hopefully y'all can keep up with me. But this was the DIOR Backstage primer that I put on my face. Then this is the Too Faced, I don't know the color. I always use the same one, so I feel like you guys should know which one it is. If not, I'll put it in the description, but I'm using the concealer along with the foundation. The color is Sand, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Sand. So I'm just mixing it up all over my face with the Sigma brush. It's really, really good. And I always go over with my beauty blender because I don't like my foundation to look too streaky or whatever. I just like it to be blended into my skin. So that's what we are doing right there. Pat, pat, pat. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go over with the Hourglass Vanish stick just to kind of like, you know, really give my base a nice solid look. Nothing too crazy. You guys see it was kind of like a subtle change. Then I'm going in with the Rare Beauty, or I'm sorry, girl, you're going too fast for me, the LA Girl Concealer, and this is just going to contour. And yeah, we're going to contour the nose, the jaw, the cheek, everything. And I'm guessing we're coming in with the Rare Beauty, the Rare Beauty blush. I don't know why I showed it if I wasn't going to use it. But yeah, so we're just pat, 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 pat. What's everybody up to? Oh, there we go. There's Rare Beauty. Liquid blush. Blend that in. It looks a little crazy at first. Yeah, y'all saw my face? Okay, so you're just going to blend it in, and I'm going to use this KOSAS concealer to, you know, I don't think I put concealer under my eye yet, so that's going to, you know, like dilute the crazy blush, and I just need my bright under eye anyway. So we're going to blend that in with a beauty blender as always. Beauty blenders are just unmatched. I'm sorry. Like, you just can't not use a beauty blender. So I'm blending all of that. I look so cute. Okay, so this is the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. This is the best powder of them all. I don't care which ones y'all use. I mean, actually, I like the Charlotte Tilbury one. I like a few powders, but this one is cheaper, and it's so good. It's seamless. Like, I can literally, like, just, if I'm sweaty or something, like, I remember I was at a pool, and I had it under my eyes, and it started creasing, and so I just blended under my eye, and everything just was back seamless. And you cannot do that with, like, regular powders. Like, look how fucking happy I am. Anyway, then you have the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and we're just gonna bronze up our cheekbones, all of our, you know, our little cuts and creases, get you nice and, you know, Bella Hadid-ish. You know, gotta look a little sick but hot. So yeah, I'm using a powder puff to dust off under my eyes, and I'm doing all that, dusting off. And I'm actually about to go into a little ad for y'all. Dossier, what's up? I have to shout out my 2 cents of the month from Dossier. So Dossier makes the best quality perfumes inspired by designer perfumes. As always, you guys can find a link in the description. And let's just get into my scents this month. The first scent this month is Ambery Saffron. So this is a perfect dupe for the Baccarat Rouge 540. The retail price for Baccarat Rouge 540 is $300, and you can get it on Dossier for $49. My next scent is Spicy Vanilla. Both of these scents are like, they're so rich. This one is inspired by Tom Ford Noir. This is a perfect dupe as always, and the retail price for Tom Ford Noir is, I believe, $122, and this is only $39 on Dossier. So these are our 2 Dossier scents of the month. As you guys know, if you order with Dossier and you don't like the perfume for some reason, which I highly doubt, but if anything like that happens, you get a full refund and you can return it and get your money back. Everything that you guys need to know will be down in the description. And let's get back to the video. Okay, so commercial break is over and I'm putting on my favorite part of my makeup routine. This is my blush, and this is the infamous DIOR blush. I think this is like 001 pink or something, that's the color, but this is the one that everyone talks about. And I'm using that Beauty Bakery powder again, and I'm putting it under just a cut. And then I'm using this Dragun Beauty face powder. I've talked about this many times. It's just like a little brightening powder that I always use under my eyes. You guys, if you're, okay, under your eyes, you always have to use a brightening powder after your loose powder. I'm telling you, that's how you lock in the brightness. And I also take it and I put it in the corners of my eyes. You guys know I don't like to wear like eyeshadows, really, just like neutral shadows, if anything. So I like to, you know, really play on the brightness and like the contours and stuff like that, because I'm not really doing the most. My makeup is pretty simple, but it's pretty fucking fire. So what I just put on my nose to highlight was the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and that one's been sold out for a long time. And I'm using the Mario Makeup by Mario palette, and I'm just putting like one of the nude colors on my eyes. You can't really tell a difference. Now, this is a ColourPop eye pencil, and it's really, really nice. It gives you a really nice, like, nude waterline. I really like it. It's a vibe. So I'm taking my powder puff, and I'm patting away the powder that was left on my face. And I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Spray to set everything. And I'm just being dramatic as hell with my fan. So now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and this is an iconic nude. I mean, the best lip liner. It's just, I'm just not even gonna say nothing. Y'all just gonna see. Like, it's just such a perfect nude. It's iconic, truly. Like, look at it. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Anytime I lose a Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, I literally cry about it in my sleep for like 2 weeks, because, like, imagine. I lose lip liners all the time, and I'm just sad that I keep losing my Charlotte Tilbury lip liners. So this is the NYX Powder Puff Lippie in Cool Intentions. I've talked about this literally since I started my YouTube channel. It's the best. And you see how, like, it makes your lips just look powdery and, like, plump, and just, like, it's not, like, dramatic. So I just, you know, took the makeup off my beauty mark because she needs her shine, baby. Okay, looking good, looking good. What are we doing now? Drama, girl, you are so dramatic. So we need to brush that hair out. What you about to do? What are you doing? Okay, thank God, because my hair is looking nice though, but like, brush that shit out. So yeah, you guys, I keep telling y'all that I'm gonna post and I just don't be posting, so I'm not gonna make any promises, but I am moving to an apartment that I'm excited to show you guys a little apartment tour and stuff like that. So we're gonna get to posting, but look how cute I look how great this makeup is. It's just a fucking vibe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Love you. I found something better.